Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about the 3 free SEO tools. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. The first tool is Keywords Everywhere. So this is a Chrome extension which can end your keyword research tension. So this is a tool that can provide you about the data and trends about the keywords. So here let us have a brief overview about this. So this can be providing you with the ChatGPT prompt templates to get most out of ChatGPT, which is included in the free version, and also it can generate hashtags and Pinterest insights. And if you can just see about, even it has the paid version where you can just check the features, but with this free version you can get most out of it regarding your keyword research. If you want to do your competitor analysis at ease, then this SimilarWeb.com is for you. So here you can effortlessly analyze all your competitive landscape. So you can start the free trial, and even you can check their free tools which will be helping you to analyze a website, verify your own website, and also you can have this browser extension to analyze any website that you go through internet surfing. You can get this traffic meter free for your website, free for your browser, by just getting this free extension to your Chrome. And you can even check out the other paid plans also, but this free plan will be sufficient for you to analyze your competitors. The next tool is SEO Quack. So this is a powerful SEO toolbox for your browser which can be giving you the key SEO metrics for any website, its backlinks and traffic, ads, keyword difficulty, and on-page SEO audit, and the SEO toolbar, and many more things which you can check it out from the Chrome Web Store. So here this can be giving you the advanced SERP overlay. So these 3 tools should be enough for you to start your website and also start your journey with SEO. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and I hope this quick guide can be helping you to get a better website and to rank better. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro.